Hi, today I've got a special box from Wevolve. They had a one-time treasure box type item, so I decided to try it out. The divine in me bows to the divine in you. So isn't that basically namaste? Or namaste? Cool though. In oneself lies the whole world, and if you learn how to look and learn, the door is there and the key is in your hand. Nobody on earth can give you either the key or the door to open except yourself. So that's nice. Ooh, pretty. It's like a rose quartz. Rose quartz sterling silver. Oh, I really love the imagery. The faint apart. Oh, pretty. I think these are their druzy studs. High Priestess. Oh, beautiful. Every breath is a dance with the divine. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. So as you can see, this was a treasure box. And it's actually really nice. I like it a lot. So, just check all this out. This is still available. It's the Sacred Soul Treasure Box. It's a gift box. I don't know if there's still time to get it by Christmas, but there might be. I'm going to leave a link in the description. This was $46 and I got 4 pieces of jewelry, 2 bracelets, a necklace, and some really beautiful earrings in very, very nice packaging. So basically a pretty nice ready-made gift just straight out of the package. So definitely worth it to me. Of course, you have to find your own value in things. I'm going to recommend it to you. This is Wevolve Sacred Soul Treasure Box. It's a limited edition item, and I'm going to leave the link below. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!